from this tutorial I will show you how to turn off Windows Update automatically using Mikrotik, which is Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you face automatic updating problem, you can use this script on your Mikrotik. Let's see how to work this. First of all, open your Winbox. I'm connecting Winbox. Then just go to IP and then go to firewall. After firewall, then go to rows. From rows, just click on plus icon. Then go to general and chain will be prerouting. And go to advanced. Then click on content. Here you can write this update.microsoft.com. Just copy this. You can copy from my video description where has I given the script. Then paste here. Then go to action and from action tab expand it, and from this click on dropped, then apply, then okay, your work has been done. After this you can buy it will be work. I will apply. From this window you can see here Windows Update. After this apply option, see here that is working. Go to script file and from this copy from this option. I expand it. Copy this script from the video description. Just copy this script and then go to a new terminal. Paste here, Ctrl V or paste here. You can see this pre-routing dropped is added under dropped menu, under row menu. You can see this. Your work has been done. After this apply, you can check now this Windows is updating or not. I am typing here Windows Update, enter. You can see this checking for update but not working. I am closing this window and here is the packet has been transferring. From this window I am come out. After apply, you must restart your Mikrotik. I hope this apply will be helpful to your PC and your network. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.